Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be pressure washing the 4630, and you know, that's a first kind of, because dairy farmers don't really pressure wash their equipment. So yeah, dairy farm right there. So I don't know if I'll be pressure washing the manure spreader with it or not. I don't think I will, but yeah, I think I'll quick detach the manure spreader from it, and then yeah, set up the pressure washer and then start pressure washing. This video will be posted. Well, I don't know when I'm gonna post it, but on Thursday I have Drive Your Tractor to School day for school. So yeah, I figured I should probably wash all this up here because it's really quite dirty here. Because last time I hauled manure, it was frozen at one point, and then all of a sudden it was just muddy like that. Now I was flying through the field, so yeah. Grab the hose here. Oh wait, no, this is the wrong hose. Alright, got the hose here. See if I can get it out from back there. Ah, we can try to reach that. Then I take this, shut this off here. Release all the pressure. Oh, there's still some water in there. Yeah. Drag the hose over here. Attach that up. Attach it to it. Yeah, so we pretty much just got a wall-mounted pressure washer here. We just take the water from a spout over there, turn this thing on, and this hose is just junk because it always leaks. But yeah, we got the tractor right here, so I'll start up the old time lapse and
now do.
Yeah, start filming. All right, so I'm just gonna really quickly clean the windows off with a towel here. So yeah. Alright, so she's nice and clean now. Except for the tires, but that'll be fine. Got everything in the back clean. I tried to clean the windows, but I'm no good at that. But yeah, so turns all that moisture that was on the windows that was actually on the inside. So, but yeah, we need new seals for this thing, like really bad. You can see right there, nice little gap there. They're rock hard and they're supposed to be soft, but yeah, so I guess I'll go part this tractor then, and then I'll be all done. Alright, so I just got finished pressure washing and cleaning the windows here. I clearly didn't do a very good job on this one. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, so just finished up. I'm gonna set the tractor back where it's supposed to go, and then on Thursday I'll drive my tractor to school, because that's the day that's supposed to be. Oh, that's the day it's supposed to be. Alright guys, so that'll be the end of the video, and hope you guys enjoy it. See you in the next one.